Are you tired of clicking on Facebook Marketplace and getting nothing but errors, or worse, not seeing it at all? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the "I can't access Facebook Marketplace" issue in just a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to buy, sell, or browse, I've got you covered. Let's get you back to the marketplace today. Step 1. Make sure you meet the requirements. First, make sure your Facebook account meets the basic requirements for Marketplace. You must be at least 18 years old, using Facebook in a supported country, have a Facebook account in good standing. Pro tip: if you're brand new to Facebook or had policy violations in the past, Marketplace might be restricted for you. Step 2. Try the direct Marketplace link. Open your browser and go to https://www.facebook.com/marketplace. If that page doesn't load or shows an error, try opening the Facebook app on your phone and tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom or in the menu. Pro tip: if you still can't find it, your access may be limited, or Facebook might be rolling out changes in your region. Step 3. Switch to your main profile. Are you using multiple profiles on Facebook? Marketplace only works on your main profile, the original account you created. To switch, tap the profile picture in the top right. Select your main profile. Try accessing Marketplace again after switching. Step 4. Make sure your listings follow the rules. If you had access before but now can't use Marketplace, it might be because your item violated Facebook's commerce policies. Go to your listings and check for any warning messages like, "There are issues with your product." This means your item was rejected or removed, and your Marketplace access could have been restricted. Step 5. Request a review. Appeal a rejected listing. Think Facebook made a mistake? You can appeal it. Head to your rejected listing and look for the option to request a review, or go to the Marketplace appeal form directly. I'll drop the link in the description below. Submit your reason, and Facebook will review it within a few days. Step 6. Update or refresh the app. If your Marketplace was restored, but it's still not showing, try this 2 things. 1. Refresh Facebook.com. 2. Update the Facebook app from the App Store or Play Store. Pro tip: sometimes just logging out and back in does the trick. Bonus tips: clear your browser cache or Facebook app cache, especially on Android. Ramadan. Avoid using VPNs. They can confuse Facebook into thinking you're in an unsupported region. So today, we covered how to check if you meet Marketplace requirements, accessing the direct link and switching to your main profile, fixing policy violations and appealing rejections, updating or refreshing the app. Now it's your turn. Go try these steps and let me know what worked. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech fixes and Facebook tips. Got questions or still stuck? Drop a comment below. I reply to every single one. And don't forget to check out my other video. Thanks for watching.